Good morning, everyone. Today, our lesson is going to be about adding and subtracting money. So first, let's make a quick place value chart. So with money, we have whole numbers and we have decimals as well. So we have our dollars, which is like the ones. Then we'll have our decimal. And then we have our dimes. And our dimes, that's our tenths place. And then we have our pennies. And that is the hundredths. The hundredths. Let's go over the values of these. Remember, a dollar, that would look like this, one whole dollar. A dime, how much is a dime worth? How many cents is a dime? A dime is 10 cents, so that would go after our decimal. And how much is 1 penny worth? A penny is 1 cent, so that's nothing in the tenths place and a 1 in the hundredths place where your penny would go. Okay? So let's do a few examples together and then we'll go to our workbook page. So remember, line up your decimal points. Let's say we have $3.49 plus $1.75. So remember, stack it, rewrite it. $3.49 plus $1.75. So look right here, all of my decimals are connected. Now we can add. Where do we start adding? We start adding over here in the pennies, in the hundredths place. So we add the 9 plus 5, which is 14. And 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. So we have a total of $5.24. Let's do another example, but this time let's subtract. Let's say we have $7.50 minus $5.24. So rewrite it, make sure your decimals and place value is all in line. Now we're ready to subtract. Start subtracting from that hundredths place. Could we take away 4 from 0? No. So what do we do? This 5 we borrow from and regroup. Turns into a 4. The 0 turns into a 10. Now we can subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So we have a difference of $2.26. Now let's go to our workbook page. Let's do a couple together. In 1 through 11, add or subtract. So a couple of these, the problems up here at the top are already lined up for us. So number 1, $5.22 plus $3.53. So where do we start adding? We start adding in the hundredths place where the pennies are. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. So it's a total of $8.75. Let's do number 2. $7.66 minus $1.45. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. $6.21. Okay, guys, I want you to circle 3 and 4, and then come down here to the bottom, so skip that second row. And let's look at 9, 10, and 11, and I want you to do these because I want you to rewrite them, and I want you to show me the correct way to stack them and line up your decimals, so be sure you rewrite both amounts. Now let's go to the back page. Number 12. Alyssa has $12. She wants to buy a sandwich and a drink for herself and her sister. Does she have enough money? Explain. So our question, does she have enough money? And right now she starts out with $12. Let's look at what she wants to buy. She wants to buy a sandwich and a drink. So over here to the right is our lunch menu. So we need to find the sandwich and the price of the drink. Our sandwich is $2.95. The drink is $1.39. And let's look back at our word problem. This is a lot of information. For herself and her sister. So Alyssa plus one more person. So shall we add this up once or should we add it up twice? We're going to add it up twice. One for herself and one for her sister. So a sandwich, we're going to take that $2.95 and add that plus $2.95. Now we add. Start adding in the pennies in the hundredths place. 5 plus 5 is 10. 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. So far that's a total of $5.90. Let me erase this so I have some more room to write. That was the price of the sandwiches. Now let's look at the drink. That's $1.39 plus $1.39. Now we add. 9 plus 9 is 18. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's a total of $2.78. Now, what's our next step? We have the price of the sandwiches and the drinks. What do we do with these separate amounts? Our question asks, does she have enough? So we're going to go back and add those two totals together, the sandwich and the drinks. $5.90 plus $2.78. 9 plus 7, 16. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8. So this would cost her a total of $8.68. And she has $12 to spend. So is this enough? Yes, it is enough. Why is it enough? Yes, because $8.68 is less than $12. Okay. I want you to do 14, 15, 17, and let's do 16 together. The cost for a 5-hour canoe rental is $45.73. The cost for an all-day canoe rental is $60.35. How much more is the cost of the all-day rental than the cost of the 5-hour rental? So let's look back at that information. How much more is the cost of the all-day rental than the cost of the 5-hour rental? So we see that phrase, how much more? The 5-hour canoe rental costs $45.73. The all-day canoe rental is $60.35. So we need to compare these two prices. So do we add or do we subtract? We're going to subtract to find the difference. So $60.35 minus $45.73. Why does the larger amount have to go on top when we're subtracting? What do you think? Let's subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 7. Can we do that? No. So here's what we do. Here's a 0. We can't borrow from that 0 yet. So we go here to this 6. What does the 6 turn into? Into a 5. The 0 becomes what? A 10. But now it turns into a what? Turns into a 9. And this 3 becomes a 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So it costs, the all-day rental costs $14.62 more. Okay guys, keep up the great work.